let's play a game. This one is called Never Have I Ever. It's very easy peasy lemon squeezy. Of course, you just have to say if you've done it in your life or not. So starting off with, never have I ever missed a sound check. From the taxi straight to the stage. Wala nang sound check.
Not much of a sound check. May oras pa na parang hindi ka almost makakarating na.
Oh, so not just the sound check. The
Yeah,
entire
kasi
start.
natulugan mo siya. Kasi I've been working in a BPO company dati. Tapos you have like, I'm a light sleeper so hindi nababawi. I'm proud to be one of the light sleeper na pwedeng magising ng alarm clock. Nagkataon yung araw na yun, yung gabing yun.
Of all the days your body told you, hey, Amit, pahinga ka lang muna.
Paggising ko like 30 minutes na lang ito, hindi ka pa naliligo and everything.
Wow.
So, thank God it's just, I was living in Mandaluyong, tas Makati yun.
Oh, okay. Malapit-lapit lang kahit papaano.
Pero wala pang angkas at move it nun. So medyo nakakaba yun.
So, did you make it on time or
I
did they
did
adjust
make
for
it,
you?
pero there were a few adjustments na medyo taas kilay yung mga kabanda
So,
ko.
like, diva pala talaga si Amit. Sisimula na, ayan na. Never have I ever refused to play a specific song because sawa na ako. I'm sick of it.
Well,
You know, ito na lang.
lagi ako may kwento.
I was gonna say na, can you name the artist of this? Ay, baka kasi cover song eh. Pwede rin, di ba?
Hindi, cover song to.
Okay, cover song.
So
Okay.
there was this time, this is not We Are Imaginary, di ko to makalimutan. Still in Bicol, doing cover songs, parang dumaan ako sa mga bars, mga ganon. Then, may isang lasing na kinukulit akong kantahin yung Wherever You Will Go.
Just for that
Calling.
reason.
Then, hindi kasi ganon yung style ko, yung medyo malaking boses na ano. Parang more on new wave kasi ako. More new wave and grunge 90s. So, parang ayoko. Then maya-maya, bumalik siya. Sabi niya, Wherever You Will Go. Ganun, sumisigawan ako. Tapos
Here's
bilang
some
ayaw
cash,
namin.
here's some
Oo.
cash. Go, tip to.
Tapos ayoko pa rin. Then yung last, bigla na siyang nagmura. Hindi, tutugtugin, Wherever You Will Go. Tapos bigla ako, there's something.
Ayan naman pala papunta eh. Nag-refuse ka pa.
Nakakatakot. Kasi pag mga
Okay.
ganun na liblib
Yeah.
na lugar,
I got it.
Yun
I got
ang pupuntahan
it.
nun.
Akala ko like, kasi you know what? I have my principles. No,
Ah,
you're
hindi
drunk,
naman.
I'm not gonna do that. No. Akala ko ganun, di pala.
at least hindi ganun. That's a different story.
Never have I ever answered a strange or awkward question in a certain interview.
Wala pa.
Wala
Wala
naman.
pa. Hindi mo naman sisimulan, di ba?
So ito na nga kasi. Wala naman. Gotcha. Never have I ever fought over the name of an album or song title.
No.
Wow!
Kasi being the songwriter, in fairness, ako yung nagpro-propose. Then what we do sa banda, nagbobotohan kami. So may oras, not the song titles, sa album titles, nagbobotohan kami. So parang somehow laging,
So you propose the titles that they vote for.
yeah.
Hey, thanks for watching.
For more exclusive videos and
Artist interviews, you can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us
on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.